Today I'm breaking down how I never run out of content ideas for my personal brand on Instagram. This is the exact method I use to find viral trends. It sparks creativity and comes up with just nice, fresh angles I can find without burning out literally ever. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Thorsten Roscoe. I create short form video editing assets for content creators exactly like you. They automate your entire editing process into literally a simple drag and drop solution. That way you're not stuck at your desk all day like I used to. And now I can create high quality reels just like these on screen in a matter of minutes. I'll leave those down in the first link in the description so you don't miss out. And let's get right into this video. So this method is super simple and easy to do, and it just cranks me views like you can see on my screen right now. I mean, I am pumping 200K, 11K, 118K. I mean, dude, it just keeps going. 17K, 233K, 50 sub K, like Jesus Christ. And the way I figure out how to just constantly make and create really cool angles, new angles, smart creativity, is I just use the folders option or whatever it's called, save collection inside of Instagram. So I just scroll. I liked this guy's. So this guy's, I like this like POV type of style. All I do is I hit this little 3 buttons on the bottom right. I hit save, and then you can hit new collection, you know, name it whatever. You can collaborate with your friends if you want, and then just hit save. And then I just scroll. I like the way this shot is, or I like something about this entire video. All I do is just come into save, and boom. And then eventually, if you do this enough, you will get just a bunch of really great video ideas that I never ever have to look back and think about ever again. I never have to burn out. Like, for example, me and my boy Chris Bousted, shout out that guy, absolute G. Me and him have a folder together, and that's all we do is if we see something that we like, we just put it in there. And then, you know, we come back to it like this guy. I love how this guy did all of his things, and I'm gonna make a video just like that. I just constantly have new ideas from some people, and I just take ideas from other people and just make videos about them. And that's exactly how I come up with new fresh angles. How I spot new trends is I just take, you know, 5-10 minutes, sometimes a week or something like that, or get friends to do it. You know, some of your friends scroll like crazy. Get them to collaborate into one single folder, and then that way you guys can just constantly have new fresh ideas in that folder. So then you're like, oh shit, I don't know what to create today. Oh, let me just go in that folder. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is cool. Now boom. You got like 20 different ideas that you can just crank out right now, and you never will be burnt out. That is my trick, and that is what Chris also used. I'm pretty sure he calls it like the swipe method, which is pretty dope, but I just like to do that. It's super easy to use, and I hope this helped out because it definitely helps out me when it comes to creating content ideas for my videos. And if you guys want to learn more about Instagram reel editing inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, how I edit all my videos, etc., go check out my YouTube channel. I'll actually leave a link to my YouTube channel up on screen and a video I totally recommend watching. It shows you exactly how I edited this reel on screen right now in a matter of a few simple minutes using my editing systems. And thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.